catch fish. Tell me your strategy.
Our strategy's simple. The fish are not going to see us coming because we're going to be in stealth mode. We're going to sneak up, pop them. We're going to eat them for lunch. Simple strategy.
What fish is this one?
Boucher, also known as a snook.
It's nice white meat, and yes, I'm eating the whole entire fish.
Not that big.
Entire fish.
You're acting as if like it's a shark. This thing's a minnow.
It tastes like heaven. Whatever heaven tastes like, it tastes like heaven.
Look what Ariana got. Ah, bony McBone, sir. Just good.
I'm really going to try this aside. After some eating too.
I, however, am not accustomed to eating it. And it's kind of, in my mind, not nice. Ariana's not a fan. What's that?
A little salty, like when it goes around the eye. It gets stuck on it. That's it, yeah. It's good.
To each his own. Some people like stuff like that, some people don't. But anyway, Ariana does.